What if I told you there's a molecule inside your cells right now? A molecule so powerful, scientists are calling it the God mode switch of cellular health. It doesn't just slow down aging, it might reverse it. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. Welcome back to Longevity Blueprint, where science meets vitality. I am Katie, and today we're diving into NAD+, a coenzyme that may hold the key to turning back your biological clock. For decades, aging was seen as a one-way, unavoidable process. But a new era in longevity science is challenging that assumption. We're beginning to understand that aging is not just wear and tear. It's a biological program that can be modified. And at the center of this revolution is a molecule with the power to optimize our internal systems, as if activating a God mode in our cells. Why aging happens? Aging brings real challenges: cognitive decline, fatigue, chronic illnesses like heart disease, diabetes, and neurodegeneration. Aging isn't just about wrinkles and gray hair. It's a cellular breakdown marked by DNA damage, mitochondrial decline, cellular senescence, inflammation, epigenetic drift. These are known as the 9 hallmarks of aging, identified by researchers in a groundbreaking 2013 Cell paper. And while many treatments focus on symptoms, cutting-edge science is targeting the root causes. Enter NAD+, the molecule that's central to nearly all of them. Now you will meet NAD+, the God mode molecule. NAD+ nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide is a coenzyme found in every living cell. It powers hundreds of vital processes: cellular energy production, ATP synthesis, DNA repair, inflammation control, metabolic regulations, activation of longevity-related proteins like sirtuins and PARPs, gene expression, and mitochondrial function. But there's a catch. By the time you hit 50, your NAD+ levels may have dropped by up to 50% or more. And by 70, even worse. That decline is directly linked to cognitive decline, muscle loss, fatigue, metabolic disorders, and even increased cancer risk. It's like trying to charge your phone with a dying battery. But how exactly NAD+ fights aging? NAD+ is powerful because it supports multiple hallmarks of aging simultaneously. 1. Activates sirtuins, the longevity guardians. Sirtuins are proteins that regulate metabolism, reduce oxidative stress, and repair DNA. They only work when NAD+ is present. Think of NAD+ as their fuel. No NAD+, no sirtuin action. A 2014 study in Nature showed that boosting NAD+ levels in aged mice restored mitochondrial function and muscle endurance. 2. Supports DNA repair. PARP enzymes use NAD+ to detect and repair DNA damage. Without NAD+, your cells accumulate errors, leading to aging and disease. NAD+ helps preserve the integrity of our genome. 3. Revives mitochondria. Mitochondria, your cellular powerhouses, depend on NAD+ to make ATP. More NAD+ equals more energy, better metabolism, sharper brain. You won't outrun Father Time, but you just might leave him panting. 4. Reduces inflammation, often called inflammaging. Chronic low-grade inflammation accelerates aging. NAD+ helps modulate immune signaling and oxidative stress, lowering inflammatory load. And how you can boost NAD+ naturally. There are proven strategies to boost your NAD+ levels and potentially reverse aspects of aging. 1. NAD+ precursors. NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide, and NR, nicotinamide riboside, are direct NAD+ boosters. NMN has shown promising effects in human trials, increasing NAD+, improving muscle strength, and enhancing insulin sensitivity. Harvard's Dr. David Sinclair calls NMN one of the most exciting molecules in anti-aging research. Tip: always buy from verified sources. Many supplements on the market are underdosed or poorly absorbed. 2. Intermittent fasting and caloric restriction. Both strategies activate longevity genes and increase NAD+ production. Start simple. 4 16-hour fasts a few times per week can already shift your metabolic pathways toward regeneration. 3. Exercise, especially high T and resistance training. Exercise increases NAD+ synthesis, enhances mitochondrial biogenesis, and boosts sirtuin activity. Translation: you're literally training your cells to stay young. Lifting weights won't just build muscle, it might just build time. 4. Sleep and circadian rhythm optimization. NAD Plus is regulated by your internal clock. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of consistent high-quality sleep. Dark room, no screens. Be boring, your mitochondria will thank you. Now let's talk about what can you eat to support NAD Plus levels naturally. Avocados, broccoli, kale, mushrooms, beef liver contain small amounts of NAD Plus precursors. Fermented foods support gut health, which can influence NAD Plus metabolism. Green tea, resveratrol, turmeric activate sirtuins indirectly and support mitochondrial function. Hydration, micronutrients like magnesium and B vitamins, and avoiding ultra-processed junk also matter. Now I need to warn you, before you run to buy every supplement on Amazon, NAD Plus boosters are not magic bullets. Clinical research in humans is still ongoing. Dosage, bioavailability, and long-term safety need more data. Some users report sleep disruption with nighttime NMN. Always consult a qualified health professional. Remember, lifestyle is your foundation. Supplements are just the scaffolding. Finally, NAD Plus may be the closest we've come to unlocking the biological reset switch. Is it the fountain of youth? Not quite, but it is one of the most promising tools in the longevity toolbox, and it's already inside you. Want to age backward? Start by living forward. Move your body. Sleep like it matters. Eat with purpose. Supplement wisely. Comment below, have you tried NMN, fasting, or other NAD Plus strategies? What's worked for you? Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more evidence-based strategies to extend not just your lifespan, but your health span. Because aging is inevitable, but how you age is up to you. Thank you for watching. And remember, longevity isn't about living forever. It's about living better, longer.